Okay, finishing up pre-calc section 5.2 day 1. We're still proving the identities, wanting the left side to look like the right side. So on this one, I went with the left side looked harder. We use this rule again quite a bit. I want to add two fractions together. In order for that to happen, the denominators have to be the same. So I'm going to multiply the numerator and denominator of both fractions to get common denominators. So on the first fraction, I'm missing 1 plus sine x, and on the second fraction, I'm missing 1 minus sine x. And again, we use this rule quite a bit when we're adding or subtracting fractions on these proved problems. Now, as I'm pausing here while you copy down, I'm trying to look to see if I can figure out the right-hand side, 2 secant squared theta, or sorry, 2 secant squared x, and I'm not quite seeing it yet. So I am just going to clean up my numerator a little bit, and then I'm going to FOIL my denominators. So since both denominators are the same, I can really just do first and last. I don't need to do both of them because they're going to be exactly the same thing. Okay, cleaning up my numerator, I have 1 plus sine x plus 1 minus sine x, and then when I multiplied in the denominator, I got 1 minus sine squared x. So pause, take a look at the right-hand side of the problem. I don't see it just yet. It's getting closer, though. I'm going to go ahead and continue on with my problem. I have a sine x and a minus sine x in my numerator. Those guys are just going to cancel out with each other. And then I know 1 plus 1 is going to give me the 2. Well, I have a 2 right there, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to need to keep that there. 1 minus sine squared x. This is also something that looks familiar to me. Grab your Pythagorean identity. See if you can figure out which one we need. Hopefully you found cosine squared x. So now I have 2 in the numerator, cosine squared x in the denominator. Pause, take a breath, look at the right-hand side. The right-hand side is asking for 2 secant squared x. Well, I know that I can use the reciprocal rule, and that is going to change to 2 secant squared x, which is the right-hand side of our problem. And we will not be doing any problems like the last one in our notes packet here, so you can totally ignore that one.